there, Helen Broward here. I'm a clinical hypnotherapist just like you, and I want to invite you along to my free webinar on using hypnosis for the menopause. Hot flushes and night sweats in particular. So if you're interested in working with ladies with those symptoms and helping them to rediscover themselves again, that was one of the phrases that somebody said to me not so long ago. Helen, you've helped me to rediscover myself again. And when you're feeling those pulled down by all those symptoms, it is so immensely valuable and beneficial for those clients to suddenly find that they actually do have control of their symptoms, that it's not being done to them. They can do something about it. So what I want to show you in this 60-minute webinar that's going to be absolutely packed, full of information and a bit of fun along the way, because, you know, we need to have a bit of fun while we're training too. We're going to be talking about those common symptoms. We're going to be talking about three common triggers, and how to sort them out and fix them. We are going to be looking into the hormones and their role in everything as well. And I'm going to give you a little taste of hypnosis so that you have an idea of what it is that you can do with your clients in hypnosis. I will also be sending you a symptom checklist. That's by all means not going to be the absolute, this is the whole list and done, I can assure you. It's the amount that I've come up with, that I've noticed, that I've discovered so far. I'm absolutely sure you give me another month's time, I can find a few more that could go on that symptom checklist. So it could be growing quite nicely. So I will be sending you that as well. If you would like to join me on Tuesday, the 7th of September at 6 o'clock in the evening, 6 p.m. UK time. So if you're in a different time zone, please check with your own time zone. If you would like to join me and find out how you can help those ladies, that sort of 45, 55 age range, to rediscover themselves, to manage and control their hot flushes in particular, their menopausal symptoms, then please do come along, register below for the webinar. And I'd love to see it. And then we can start helping those ladies, more and more ladies, to take back control, find themselves and turn down the heat of those hot flushes. So if you'd like to join me, I would love to see you. Tuesday, September the 7th, 6 p.m. UK time. Please check with your own time zone. I would love to see you. Register below and I will look forward to seeing you soon.